In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links in Prezi. By the end, you'll be able to turn text and visuals into clickable pathways that guide your audience to websites, resources, and more, without breaking the flow of your presentation. To begin, open your presentation in the Prezi editor. You want to be in edit mode so you can interact with the content on your canvas. Once you're there, click to select the item you want to link. This can be a line of text or an object, such as an image, icon, shape, GIF, or chart. When something is selected, Prezi shows a contextual toolbar so you can modify it. If you're linking text, place your cursor in the text box and type or paste the full URL, for example, https://example.com. Prezi recognizes full web addresses and converts them into clickable links right inside the text. Pasting is often the best approach to avoid typos and missing characters. Make sure the URL includes the https prefix and that there are no extra spaces before or after it. If you only want a specific word or phrase linked, highlight that portion before pasting the URL so the link applies to just that selection. Clear, descriptive link text helps your audience understand exactly where the link will take them. If you're linking an object instead of text, keep that object selected and look for the Insert Link icon in the toolbar that appears. It typically looks like a small chain link. Click it to open a field where you can enter your link. This is your spot to paste or type the full URL. Again, use the complete address with https and double-check that the domain is spelled correctly. After you enter it, the object becomes a clickable hotspot in your presentation, so when viewers click it, they go directly to your chosen destination. If you later replace the image or adjust your layout, just reselect the object and update the URL in the same place. A few quick tips to keep everything smooth. Copy links directly from your browser's address bar to prevent stray characters. Use stable, public URLs that your audience can access without special permissions, and keep your linked items visually clear so people know they're interactive. Consistency matters too. Use the same linking style across your presentation to make navigation feel natural. And that's it. Open your Prezi in the editor, select your text or object, and add the full URL, either by typing it into the text box for text or by using the Insert Link icon for objects. With these simple steps, your Prezi becomes more engaging, informative, and interactive,